Well, bleeding clutches and brakes is, well, a pain, especially if you're by yourself or if the thing wants to be difficult. So I went and I've gone on the Amazon, and hopefully this purchase is better than the previous purchase, which I have here. And it actually works as advertised. So today I'm going to go over this Motive Pro 2-liter manual brake bleeder fluid pump. A star grade experience. I guess that didn't translate well from Chinese. Focused on quality, performance, style, and price. We are not only delivery quality tools, we deliver a great satisfaction. Very simple. This is a simple 2-liter brake fluid pump bleeder. Is must for bleeding brakes single-handedly. The easy pump action and visual gauge allow the task to be performed quickly and effectively with the minimum of effort. Equipped with an adapter, is supplied for fitting to European vehicles, which that is. Okay, great. 2 liters, 10 psi. It's 30 psi, which I don't know why you would ever do that. The pressure gauge goes all the way up to 70 psi, which I don't understand why. Less than a centimeter hose diameter. The length is 1.5 meters. Same stuff on the other side. This is what it looks like. Handle pump. Has a relief valve. Refilling bottle. A cap to put the oil in. The hydraulic fluid. Pressure gauge. The wrench for that said cap. 45 millimeter adapter. A base. All about that base. No treble. Alright, so let's unbox this monster. So let's see. Whee! Okay. Alright, catch bottle. It's actually pretty heavy plastic. That's not so bad. Oh, here's the contraption. There's all sorts of warnings on there. And stuff for the bottle. There's your wrench. And instructions. Empty box. So let's see what these things say here. Just tell it once again, one-way siphoning, method operation, operating pressure 30. No. Minimum pressure rating 50 psi. No, maximum maximum pressure rating 50 psi. Suction and connectivity connecting hose 5/16, 150 centimeters long. Additional features: pressure relief valve, quick connector, pressure gauge 0 to 85 psi. Warning: please read all these instructions carefully. Note the safe operation requirements, warnings, and cautions. Use this product correctly and care purpose which is intended. Failure to do so may cause damage and/or personal injury and invalidate the warranty. Sure. Okay. So here is the cap. This. See, cap for this thing. Alright, open this thing up now. And what I'm going to do is that, since I'm just trying to get air out, I may just pressurize it and put it on top of the brake cylinder and just put pressure down on the actual fluid and not have to pump any fluid in. Because honestly, the clutch, you take out 2-3 ounces at most. So we'll go there. So here's the chains to hold this. Chains. Hit the ground running. Chains. Wow. I guess first thing to do is to get all this off. Take the chain and run it through the hook, because it makes no sense. The hook is not at the end of the chain, in the middle, you know, an adjustable center of the chain. Okay, so there's that. I guess this goes like this. Here's our hose. I can't get out with this. I think that goes on the back of the bleeder. Actually, I have a spare bleeder right here. And yeah, it goes on the back of the bleeder. Look at that, wow. Okay, that's an interesting design. Now, I did read that there's like no way for air to come out. And that looks very, very true. That is a tight fit. And there's no way for the air to come back out. Or for it to displace it when you put fluid in. So it'd be interesting. So I guess I am gonna have to drill a hole in that, or maybe leave the cap a little loose. If I leave the cap loose, it'll be fine, I guess. Alright, so this hangs underneath the car, and this goes on the bleeder, and alright, so we got that together. Now this has a nice base to it. Alright, anything earth-shattering here? It tells you to drain some brake fluid out. Yeah, if you have put fluid in here, yes, you need to drain some out. And they say to go to 10 psi. And then assist the bleeding process by pressing your vehicle brakes periodically. Okay. Drain fluid once the fluid has gone through the bleeding hose becomes clear. Stop draining fluid once it becomes clear. Okay. Blah blah blah. Repeat on each wheel. So here's our silicone hose. It's a nice texture to it. Ooh, it's all over the place. You stay. And allegedly, this fits my BMW. It's clamped on there. Put different adapters on. Oh, that's pretty neat. Like your air. Oh, you can't build any pressure. Oh, that's, you have to have the cap. Alright, so, alright, we're gonna put this on the car and I'm gonna try to bleed the clutch. Okay, I got the cap off. Got the bleeder here, where I can kind of be within distance of it. So we're gonna see if the cap screws on. Alright, cap is on. Let's see if we can build any pressure. So, oh, we're up to 10, we have 10 psi in there. Seems good. Okay. At 10 psi. Alright, I'm gonna go underneath the car now and drain this, I guess. Okay. Alright. Here goes nothing, I guess. It's loosened. I mean, I have 10 pounds of pressure on this. Oh, there it is. There we go. Oh, I saw an air bubble. Okay, I heard liquid come out. I saw one air bubble. Okay. I'm gonna go up and check pressure. Pressure was verified. It's still 10 psi. There's still plenty of pressure. So, okay. All right. so far the thing is working as advertised. I mean, you know, I'm just using air pressure instead of replacing with fluid, which, you know, you can do because the reservoir is full to the top. And a good pneumatic system will hold pressure. So let's see what I got for a pedal. Well, there you have it. We actually have a winner. We have a real brake bleeder from Amazon that was less than, well, was it less than $70? I mean, half the price of the normal ones, cheaper than Harbor Freight's. And honestly, look, I bled the slave cylinder, you know, the entire clutch system, and it still has the 10 psi in there. I mean, it kept pressure. So the Smotive Pro 2-liter manual brake bleeder fluid pump, I would give it a resounding thumbs up. No problem with this thing. I mean, if it can work just with having air in there, no problem having liquid. I'm going to use this to clear out the entire brake system on this car because the fluid in there is, well, disgusting, because it has dirt from the desert Southwest for the last, I don't know when the last time they were actually bled or been flushed, probably 20 years. There's no water in it, it's just dirt. That's why it's that color, that wonderful color. But you know what? This thing, absolutely phenomenal. I'll put the link to it below. I bought this with my own money. This is not a paid sponsorship. I just wanted to try it. This is a hell of a lot better than that transmission jack. Not bombshell. If you have something cool to drive or something fun to drive, take it out. You make someone's day, maybe even your own. I'll catch you very soon.